find on Microsoft Store. So how do you open it? You go to your apps under Microsoft Store in the library portion. You go to your apps, you open it, and then there are different options. You have an option to see your notes. So suppose this is your first note and this is your card, or if you want to share, this is for login, this is information, this is to export your notebook. You can even print your notebook, and these are some settings. When you open the settings, you have the different paper types. One is plain, then you have these vertical notes lines. Okay, go to the settings, horizontal lines and squares. So I will just show you once vertical lines how it looks. So just add. So these are the vertical lines. uh, and you have different pages, you have different tools to draw. You can select pen, pencil, okay, and this is a trial version or a pencil. Okay, so you can even choose the color palette, right? And you have eraser, this is to remove all the icons on the top so that you have a clear screen. So this is just the basics of using your okay, you can also import from camera and import an image file. This is how you use your Bamboo app. So okay, so let me just save it. Then you have the option of sharing. You can print it to PDF. Okay, so you can print it to PDF, and you can even export it as PDF. Change the color of the book.